So I haven't posted anything in a good month. With December coming up, my business I run got really busy, which is good. Getting a chance finally now with the new year to go back, start revisiting some projects that I want to work on for this coming year. Well, kind of need to work on now. So, the mutoscope project, any of you that saw the last video, nothing new has gone on with that. It's, well, stuck in time. Did work on the lens cup unit that you put your face up against, and don't know how well you can see it. There is a lens in there. I'm using a magnifying lens that's for a welding helmet. Trying to be just the right size for what I was looking for. And then I also started experimenting, a little bit of glare there. Started experimenting with figuring out my cards for the project. When it's finished and everything, I end up going with for a little short, picture card video. There's, I think, going to be like 800 cards I gotta do for, I don't know, like 30-40 seconds or something. It's nuts. So, this is just regular poster card. Do wish I got with something a little heavier, so I gotta do a test run and see. Was experimenting with a program I found that takes your video you want to use and chops up into stills and turns it into a almost the ideal size frame for the project. But problem I had with it was it doesn't number the images. So when I did a test run of trying to do like 50 images, they weren't in order. So right now that's kind of hanging me up. I may have to do it the old-fashioned way or something. I don't know. Bit of a learning curve there. Technology. So, if you got any questions, I guess feel free to ask. I will try to respond. And if you're familiar with the pinball machine project, well, it's caught in a bit of a time warp too. It's just been sitting and waiting for me to finish doing more with it. So, yeah. Does work. It's fully playable. I just gotta do artwork. I gotta get it finished here in the next couple months. Stay tuned for more.